what the program looks like. We're going to take a look at one of the journals, and we're going to open it up, and let's go through it real quickly. You're going to get, in your journal, you're going to have an achievement program statement. You divide it into 3 parts. That first part is you're going to write down what's going on in your life. You know, what are you sick and tired of? That back pain, whatever pain you got, mind issues, digestive issues, what are you tired of? So you're going to write it down there. Then you're going to take the steps. We're going to decide on what steps you're going to need, and I can help you a little bit with that. And number 3 is you're going to write down, how are you going to celebrate? What success are you going to have in 60 days? And you visualize it, and you will realize it if you take the steps to bridge the gap from where you are to your success finish line. When you open up the next page, you're going to have the 7-day spread. Monday through Wednesday on one side, Thursday through Sunday on the other side. You're going to write some things down. You're going to have a place where you can dedicate the journal to. You're going to have a place here. This is like a summary of your why do you need to make changes. After you finish your week, you're going to come across more space to journal. After your week, you're going to have a couple of sections here. If you're doing a cleanse, if you want to lose weight or gain weight, I would suggest using the daily meal diary. So you write down what you're eating, and if you're working with me, I could see a little bit more what's going on and maybe give you some more guidance there. But most importantly here, this one, after 7 days, you need to see how accountable you've been for that week. You're going to have an accountability buddy. That's you're going to write it in there. It doesn't have to be one person. You could have several people that you're accountable for. And I could be that accountability buddy. So after your 7 days, you're going to have somebody you're going to have to report to. You're going to list your challenges that you had during the program. You're going to list what achievements. You want to celebrate your achievements always. So whatever you're doing that's positive, write it down. And then you could grade yourself with the faces and plan your success. This is congratulations, you did it. Write down what you're going to do to celebrate. You know, take a trip somewhere. Have a special dinner. Get together with friends. Have a party.